Welcome. If you've ever wanted to use Instagram in another language on your PC, this step-by-step guide will show you just how easy it is with the latest update. In just a few moments, you'll be exploring your Instagram feed in your preferred language. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in, so you'll be able to access all your settings and preferences right away. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side and click on your profile picture. This takes you directly to your personal Instagram profile, where all your account options are easily accessible. Now, look for the Edit Profile option. You'll usually find it near the top of your profile page. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu where you can update your personal information and account settings. After you've entered the Edit Profile section, scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you'll see a section labeled Language. Click on this option to reveal a full list of available languages. From here, you can scroll through the list and select your desired language. Whether you want to switch to French, Spanish, Japanese, or any other language, just click on your choice. Once you've made your selection, Instagram will automatically refresh and all your menus, buttons, and notifications will appear in your new language setting right away. That's all there is to it. Changing your Instagram app language on PC has never been easier. These simple steps help make your feed more comfortable and personalized, no matter where you are in the world. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just repeat these steps. Thanks for following along and happy browsing on Instagram in your chosen language.